In this video, we're going to talk about converting from the Roman numeral system to the base 10 number system. Recall that the base 10 number system is comprised of digits 0 through 9. This is the number system that most of us are familiar with and have worked with throughout our lives. The Roman numeral system consists of the following symbols. We have M, which represents 1000, D, which represents 500, C, which represents 100, L, which represents 50, X, which represents 10, V, which represents 5, and I, which represents 1. In the Roman numeral system, we can also use a horizontal bar over two values to indicate a multiple of 1000. For example, let's consider the following. Suppose we have IX with a bar over these two symbols, followed by CML XXIV. The best way to evaluate Roman numerals and convert to a base 10 number is to start from the left and look at the symbols two at a time. When we compare symbols two at a time, if the first number represents a smaller value, then this is subtraction. If the smaller value comes second, then we use addition. Here I have IX with the bar over it. I know that X is 10, I is 1. Since the smaller value comes first, this is saying 1 minus 10. I'm sorry, 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1, which is 9. The bar over IX indicates that we must multiply by 1000. So IX bar equals 9000. Next, let's take a look at CM. I know that C equals 100 and M equals 1000. I see that the smaller value comes first, so CM means 1000 minus 100. Which is 900. So now we have 9000 plus 900. Next, I'll take a look at LX. LX is the same as saying 50 and 10. Since 50 is the larger number and that comes first, we know that we're saying 50 plus 10. Which is 60. So now we have 9000 plus 900 plus 60. Next, I'll take a look at the remaining symbols. Now I have XI, which is 10 and 1, but then the 1 is followed by v, which represents 5. So in this case, if I look at the big picture, I see that I have x representing 10 and IV, which represents 4, since the I comes before the V. So XIV as a unit is equal to 14. Now I can add all of these numbers together to figure out my solution in base 10. 9,000 plus 900 plus 60 plus 14 equals 9,974. This concludes our example. I hope you found it helpful.